Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, cruise control, 8 speakers, trip computer, electronic stability control, compass, outside temperature gauge, body color door handles. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.